Hi, I'm Joe Torre, and this is Baseball Talk. Today we'll talk baseball with Lee Smith. It won't be much consolation to all those National Leaguers he mowed down in the early 80s to know that Lee really didn't care about baseball.
I think I was about 3 years in the major leagues where I really got to really love the game of baseball. When I got there and I got to meet the guys like the Ferguson Jenkins, and I think probably one key guy that had most impact on my career was Billy Williams, because I quit the game of baseball and Billy came down and talked to me, and he said, "Hey man, you're gonna have to really show the organization that you really care about the game of baseball, because I quit and went home and played college basketball."
If you were a National League hitter facing the Cubs, the last thing you wanted to see was Lee Smith's 95-mile-per-hour fastball coming out of the afternoon shadows in Wrigley Field. In 1987, many a National Leaguer's prayers were answered when he was traded to Boston.
I think the best thing that ever happened to me, I asked to be traded right after the All-Star break, and I didn't have any idea where I was going to be going or if I was going to be going because of my contract status. My contract was up after this year, so I really didn't think anyone was going to take a chance and whatever, and I thought I might even have to go free agent. But for myself and my career standpoint, I have to say that's probably the best thing that ever happened to me.
So now the junior circuit hitters have to deal with the fact that if they survive Roger Clemens or Bruce Hurst, there is still Lee Smith.
I like to look at the hitters, especially in the American League, the guys I haven't seen that much. I like to watch them on TV, maybe first 2 or 3 innings, to see how guys are approaching the ball, who's hitting the breaking ball, or who's sitting on certain pitches, the guy that I don't know. But I think the one key thing that I've learned is to have they have the instinct to look at a hitter if I see where the guy's approaching something, to really go for it. But I had to give a lot of that to pitching coach Bill Fisher and Rick Edmond.
Thanks, Lee. For Baseball Talk, I'm Joe Torre.